Hello everyone. In this video discussion, we were going to demonstrate the activity 4.3, which is using Arduino Uno and with additional components of a sensor. So let's begin. So this is our code. First is assigning variables int led pin red, which is in 13, then LED pin green, which is 12, then the LDR pin, which is our sensor, is in analog 0 or A0. Then this is our setup, serial begin, then the pin mode. Since the LED lights are the output, so we are going to declare it as an output, while the sensor is an input, because sensor is an input type of component. Now, so we are using almost every code uses loop, and then since we are going to use a function, the function that I made is the conditional function or condition. I just called it void because I just want to put all the code in this function. So this is the function. So we are using the conditional statement, which is the if and the else. So if LDR status is less than or equal to 300, then the LED pin red is going to on, which is high, and the green pin LED is off. Then we are going to print this one. LED red is on. LDR exposure is low. So if the exposure is low, means the LED red is going to on. While else if the exposure is high, then the LED green will on and the LED red will off. Okay, so let's go to our Arduino and then see the connection between the LED, the sensor, into our Arduino Uno. Okay, so this is the connection. So this is the red LED. So let's try to see it in a close way. Okay, so this is the LED red. This is its positive side using the resistor. This resistor is 220 ohms, same with the other LED, which is the green one. So this is the sensor that we use, which is called the photoresistor. So as you can see, the resistor that it's going to use is 10k ohms or 10,000 ohms. So let's see the connection. This is the ground side. This one, that one, the ground side of our LED. Then the positive side is connected to this side of Arduino, which is the 13 and the 12, which is we have been assigned this one, 13 and 12. Okay, so the LDR pin, which is our photoresistor, is the analog 0. So as you can see, here is the analog 0, the A0, which is connected to our photoresistor, and the other two is connected to the 5 volts and the ground. Okay, so since all of the hardware and software is done, so it's time to check if it is going to execute. So let's okay. Okay, so our Arduino is on. So as you can see, let's try compiling first. Okay, let's compile. Okay, it is done. Then since let's double check our port. Okay, COM3, and then our board is Arduino Uno as the same as usual. Then let's try to upload. Okay, done uploading. So let's see if this is going to work. So what's the condition is, if the exposure is low, means the LED red is going to light up. Okay, so this is the example of the exposure which is high. Let's try to make it low. Wait, okay, because of the flashlight, then let's try to put off our flashlight. Okay, see, so the LED red is on because of our exposure is low. Then if we try to put the exposure into high, it is the sensitivity of the light. Okay, so let's try to add some light. Okay, see, the LED green is lighting up because of the exposure, because of the light exposure. So it means this is working. So let's go to our serial monitor to see if this is working. Okay, as you can see, it is low because I am not using let's see. Okay, this is green, and if we look at our serial monitor, the exposure is high, which is we're going to print. But if I'm going to shut off the light, then I will try to make it, see, the red one, and our monitor says that the exposure is low and the red LED is on. So that was our demonstration for our Arduino code, which is the activity 4.4. And that's all. Thank you for watching.